If you have to create very often for different projects the same subfolders for each project, then of course you can create each subfolder by yourself or use this shortcut. I run it and here I can type the name from my project, for example project A, and you can see there's the actual date. Click done and I select the type film, click done, and in the film folder you can see the new project folder, and in this folder there are the subfolders A1, B1, C1. And if I switch to the post folder and run the shortcut again and type project B, okay, and choose the post, click done, then it will create in this folder my new project folder, and in this folder the subfolders A2, B2 and C2. In this video I will show you step by step how you can create this shortcut. It's really easy, and of course you can download this shortcut and many other shortcuts from my Patreon website. So let's start. Open the app Apple's Shortcuts and click on the top right corner onto this plus button to create a new shortcut. Next, click on title to name your shortcut. For example, new project folders. If you click on this little icon on the left side, you can choose an icon and a color for your shortcut, but this doesn't matter. Now click on to search and search for ask for input. Double click on this action ask for input, and here you can name a prompt, for example name of project. Then open this action and here disable allow multiple lines. And if you need the current date, make a right click into this default answer field and select insert variable. Here I select the current date and I can choose the format. I choose the format ISO. Okay. If this window doesn't appear, you can click on this current date again and the window appears again. Now click on the right side and search for menu. Here is the action choose from menu. In this list you can name your options, but this doesn't matter for the function, it's just for you. In my case it's film, the next one is post, and I click on this little plus button to create a new item, and here I name it shortcut. Okay. As you can see, for each item you will find an action. And here we can create our folders and subfolders. For that, search for create folder and don't double click on create folder, drag it and drop it into this menu action. Of course, we need the main folder for our project type. For film, it's my film folder. For that, I click on shortcuts and I select the film folders. For the example, I select this film folder, open, and now I have to create my main project folder and my subfolders. For that, make a right click into path and select the variable ask for input. That's the name from our main project. And now make a slash, and behind the slash you can type the name from the subfolder. For example, folder A, and now I need folder B, C, and so on. For that, make a right click on this little icon from this action, select copy, make a right click on this little icon again, and select paste below. You can repeat this process for every subfolder you need. And here I type folder B, and now I need the same actions for the other types, for post and for shortcut. For that I copy and paste the action. Now you have to choose the main folder. For the category post, it's not the film folder, so I click on film and select the post folder, open it, do it again for the another folder, and the same for shortcuts. Okay, and at least I have to name my subfolders. For the category post, it should be A1 and B1, and for the shortcut it's F and G. Or maybe I don't need this subfolder. Okay, now my shortcut is ready to go and we can try it out. Click on this play button and it should appear a window to ask for your project name. There you should find your actual date. Okay, that's good. Then I type project monkey X done, and it's shortcut category. Okay, and if I open the Finder in the category shortcut, there should be my new project folder with the subfolder folder F. At the end, I want to show you how you can access your shortcut quickly. For example, via widget. Make a right click on your desktop, select Edit Widgets and search for shortcuts. Here you can select a single shortcut with this widget, or you select a folder from your shortcuts app. I select this one, the single shortcut, and now I make a right click on this widget, select Edit Shortcut, and here I can search the shortcut I created. Then I click on Done, and here's my widget, and if I click it, it runs the shortcut. But there's another cool way via Spotlight. Type Command Space and type the name from your shortcut. New project folder. And you can run your shortcut. You also can add quick keys, so you don't have to type the whole name from your shortcut. For example, npf, okay? And all the time I type npf, it should display my shortcut. If you want to know how you can open all your favorite folders with just one click like this, then watch this video. See you, bye bye.